Welcome, today in front of me Vivo V23, and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So as can you see, we got the this one, the blue one, and now we'll go into the settings application, scroll to the security section. After that, click here to the fingerprint and draw your pattern or password or pin code, and after that here click to the animation styles. Now we got here selected this one. You can just change the animation just by select one from these availables here. For example, I will go with this one, then just click here to apply. And now we can check that, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen just sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.